Hello guys, and today I'm going to show you a Spectrum game called Horace Goes Skiing. It was generally included with the ZX Spectrum as part of some marketing packs, okay? Okay, it's loaded. It's now in demo mode, okay? So it's now showing you it playing it itself in demo mode. The idea is, first of all, you've got to cross the road to go to the ski shop and hire some skis. Then you've got to cross the road again. This is all being done at the moment by the computer. Now, this game was actually developed in Australia, right? And the only way I can possibly work that out is because it wasn't designed in Britain, was because there was something called an ambulance fee. And in Britain, there is no ambulance fee. There's only an ambulance fee in Britain if you basically deliberately call an ambulance when it's plainly obvious you don't need one, like a joke or something, a bad joke or something. But if, but even then, if they believe you might have had a good reason to call, even if you didn't have one because you're not a medical expert and you couldn't possibly know, that something didn't need an ambulance because you're not medical, and something looks serious, then you will not be charged any money at all for calling an ambulance in Britain. Okay? Yes, I know that's astonishing to Americans, but there you go. This is the computer playing it. Now I'm going to play it, okay? Okay, you've got to miss the trees. And miss them as well. Oh dear. There we go. I missed a couple of flags, which wasn't a good idea. You're meant to try... Oh dear. You're meant to try and go between the flags. Oh dear. It seems to me the problem with this is you need a photographic memory. You need to know... Okay, so because the skis are broken, I've got to go and get some more skis. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear. Sorry, no money, no ski. Okay, so I'll try again. Oh dear. Oh. That's my main criticism of this game. You need to play it several times and have a photographic memory to remember exactly where the flags are, because otherwise you're completely stuffed. I'm trying to guess where I think they might be. Okay, so I've gone through the finish line. And I got a bonus of $100. So that means, now I was at the top. Now I've landed at the bottom. So now again, because I've already got my skis, I don't need to get any more skis. So I just. Oh dear. I now have no money left, so. Oh dear. No money, no ski. Yep. Oh dear. It's difficult trying to know exactly. I don't know what these black things are supposed to be, actually. It beeps when you've missed some flags. As I said, my main criticism of this is that you need a photographic memory, because, you know, it's not obvious where the next flags are going to be. And if you're too far away, you can't get to them. And that's my main criticism. So it's not possible to beat this first time and get all the flags because you would never know where they were. Oh dear. So because the skis are broken, I've got to go and get some new skis. Shame, because this is a really boring bit. Oh. What? I mean, this pretty much is the whole game. There's nothing really more to it than this, to be honest. So... I know I'm missing them, but I'm being a lot more cautious regarding not trying to crash into anything. And basically it just keeps going around like that. That's the whole game, basically. To my knowledge. Oh dear, my ski's broken. Oh. Anyway. I don't know why I ran out of money when. Oh, sorry, no ski. Okay, well, anyway, I'm not going to play any more of this. So, thanks for watching, guys. As I said, that was a classic game from 1982 on the ZX Spectrum, okay? And it's a combination of a skiing game and what we called Frogger, because there used to be a game around the 80s called Frogger, okay, where the idea was that you were a frog rather than a skier, trying to cross the road, okay. And this is very similar to the road crossing is very similar to the Frogger game, okay, which was quite popular in various forms in the 80s, okay. Anyway, thank you for watching. Bye.